In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami wallet, and it works. See? So you can open it up and you can put your cards in this pocket and your cash in the back pocket, and it locks closed. See? You stick the flap into that pocket. See? And it locks closed like that. Isn't that cool? And special for my members only, I made this variation. It's a wallet that has alternating colored pockets. I'll take the stuff out so you can see it better. So this is a little bit easier to fold, maybe, but it has alternating colored pockets. So it's purple, white, and purple. And yeah, it looks really cool. And this is how you lock it together, like this. You just fold this over. And yeah, and it's really cool. And to become a member, find the join button. It's only like a few dollars per month. Okay, so this one I folded from a 10-inch square of kami. And you can also fold it out of a 6-inch square of kami. And you'll get one that's small like this. And you can also use an ordinary sheet of printer paper. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fold it from a 10-inch square of kami. So you'll get one that's about a life-size wallet like this. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to fold it from a 10-inch square of kami, but if you're using a sheet of printer paper, I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So, if you're using a square, let's begin with the white side up, and we're gonna fold not completely in half. We're gonna leave a white strip, and that's gonna be the top of the wallet. So, just about like that is good. Okay, now if you're using printer paper, this is 8.5 by 11-inch printer paper. If you're using a sheet of printer paper, you can make two size wallets like this. So you can make a narrow one like this, or one that looks like this. So if you want the more narrow one, fold the long way like this. And you'll get a wallet that looks something like this. But if you want to make this kind of wallet, then rotate it like this and fold in half like this. And you'll get a wallet that looks like this. But I'm going to use a square, a 10-inch square. Alright, so now we're going to fold this flap up again. And how far do you want to fold it up? Well, you want to match the distance from this edge to this edge. So this purple strip here. You want to match it with the white strip. So just about like this. Okay? Alright. Okay, and now we're going to divide this into thirds. So, this doesn't need to be exact. You can just fold this up and we're just going to estimate thirds. So just fold it up so this is about equal to that. Alright, and you can just go ahead and crease sharply. It doesn't need to be exact. Alright, and then now fold this over, like this. And this is a good way to check your thirds, if they're exact or not. But you know, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, my thirds weren't completely exact, but it's okay. Now unfold. And now, okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the nearest edge up, like this. Okay? So this edge we're folding up is going to be the part that makes it lock closed. Unfold. And now turn over, and let's reverse that crease. So we're folding it on this side. Alright, and don't unfold. And once you did that, we are done. So fold this up on this crease, and this over, like this. So there is the wallet completed. And now to lock it, you just stick this edge underneath this raw edge. Like that, see? And now it's locked closed. So yeah, and I'm just gonna, I'm gonna keep these as extra wallets for me. So yeah, so you can put your cash in either of the pockets. I'm just gonna keep my cash in the back pocket here, like this, and then you can put your debit card or your gift cards into one of these pockets. You gotta kind of make sure you center your gift card right in the middle at least. All right. Okay. And you can stick either side into the pockets. You can stick this underneath. And it stays closed like that. Isn't that cool? And yeah, I think it's a pretty cool model. And if you want to make this wallet, which is for members, you have to be a member of my channel. It's only like a few dollars. It's like $5, I believe, per month, something like that. And yeah. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed building this wallet and find it useful and interesting. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.